Hi, yes. Next topic, theory of multiple intelligence. This is a continuous topic in previous video. Howard Gardner, CTET Paper 1, Notes and Question Answers. Theory of intelligence. Already in previous video explaining in this one. Howard Gardner, he is the American cognitive psychologist. First talked about the MI his book Frames from the Mind. He was influenced by Jane Paget, Nick Erikson and Germont Berner. So intelligence is different manner. Multiple intelligence. We have the math and only way to learn something is to read in the textbook or hear lecture on it. Howard Gardner has suggested everything can thought or more than one way. According to theory, people have many different ways of learning. Unlike traditional theories of intelligence that focus on one single general intelligence, Gardner believed that people instead have the multiple different ways of thinking and learning. General describe the different kind of intelligence: virtual and spiritual intelligence, linguistic verbal intelligence, mathematical intelligence, kinesthetic intelligence, musical intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, naturalistic intelligence. Types of intelligence. Eight type of intelligence is there. First type, linguistic, means skill involved in the production and use of the language. Second one, logical, mathematical skills in the specific thinking and problem solving. Third one, spatial, skill formatting visual imaging and patterns. Next one, musical, sensitivity to musical rhymes and patterns. Fifth one, body kinetic, using whole or portions of the body flexibly and creatively. Next one, interpersonal, is very important. Sensitivity to subtle aspects of other behaviors. Next, intrapersonal. This is also important. Awareness of one's own feelings, motives and desires. This is interpersonal. Last one, naturalistic, sensitive to the future of the nature world. Notes over question answers. Howard Gardner theory of multiple intelligence capacities. Answer. Third one, the unique ability of each individual. Second question, theory of multiple intelligence implies the following accepts. Answer. 3. Emotional intelligence is not related to IQ. Yes. Fourth one. Third one, a teacher makes use of a variety of tasks to cater to the different learner style of the learners. She is influenced by dash. Answer. Second one, gender's multiple intelligence theory. Following are the critical way about the theory of multiple intelligence experts. Answer. 4. It lacks of empirical empirical support. Last question. Theory of multiple intelligence cannot be legitimated as it. Yes. Answer 1 is not possible to measure different intelligences as there are no specific text. Thank you.